not Mpumelelo basically exposing his own mother, Umayeni, and saying just about anything just to kind of cover his back and prove a point that he is stable and that he's able to provide. So you'd know, guys, that on the last episode of Izingane Zesthembu, Mayeni and Mpumelelo are out on a date or out having lunch with one another, but they are out. Okay. And Mayeni basically is trying to be a good parent, you guys, and speaking to this stubborn son of hers, even though she can see that he doesn't listen. At least at the end of the day, she can say, I told you so. Or at least she will not sit with the guilt that she did not tell her son the truth. So, this whole thing of him taking his time when all of that, they busy talking about that. And then they come to the point about speaking about, him, Mpumelelo and Musa, the whole thing that's going on between them. And Umayeni asks a question, is you and your dad, Umtombeni, are you guys in a competition or what? And Umayeni brings up such an important element that I think is so important for people to understand. And I did a video a few weeks on this, and people really did not understand what I was saying when I was like, I personally do not think that Mpumelelo is ready for marriage. She is still young for marriage. And it's not only about an age thing, because yes, his father got married around the same age. But even when it comes to finances, guys, they are not on the same level. And for me, for a guy to want to take 3 wives and want to send his uncles or his families to 3 families all at once, and kumanje already you are kind of struggling to support your woman, that is not a man that is ready for his temple. I am sorry. So anyway, Umayeni speaks about, yes, Musa, when Musa got married, he was 24 years old, but she mentions an important element that Musa was stable, he was working. He had an income, and that income could obviously support his wife, support his woman. And she basically says, but when Mpumelelo, you're not stable and you're not working. Remember Utirelo, you guys, Tirelo had to pay for her own baby photo shoot. That is the same baby photo shoot that Uviogazi is still holding on to today. Uviogazi believes that Mpumelelo paid for it. But remember, guys, Utirelo seems like she's actually coming from a well-off background. So then Uviogazi wanted her own money for her own baby shoot. So, and he said, Mpumelelo said he didn't have that money at that time, but he had to make a plan, because a man must make a plan, especially a man that promises you the heavens and the earth and everything beneath it. So he had to make a plan. But financially, guys, according to, yes, Uvuyokazi and Tirel have not been explicit in saying this guy is broke. But if you listen in between, and if you look in between the lines, guys, it doesn't look like Mpumelelo is financially well off. I think he is really trying to get his ducks in a row. But I just think times have changed, and these women that he has went for, they look like they really are high maintenance. So anyway, Umayeni goes on to, not Umayeni, Mpumelelo goes on to say that his mother basically doesn't know what she's speaking about. That's what he says. And he says that his mother thinks, or the reason why Umayeni is saying all of these things is because Mpumelelo, when he's at Mzumbe, he's mostly in the house. And Mpumelelo is like, yes, I'm mostly in the house. So when I'm in the house, she thinks that I'm not doing anything. Kanti, I am making money, probably making money on his phone. And I get that element. So he was saying that's the reason maybe why Umayeni thinks that he's not making money, but Umayeni is wrong. And he is a man with a plan. And it doesn't mean that he needs to show his plans to people, especially not a woman. He's not going to show his money and his plan to a woman. And then he goes on to say that Umayeni, his mother, loves money. Atuma uyayithanda imali. He says his mother loves money and he won't show her the money. So he's basically saying the reason why I do not show her even the money that's there, that's existing in my account, though I have plans with it, is because she loves money. And if she probably sees that money, she's probably going to want it. I don't know. I don't know. But gay, at least to Mayeni, if she loves money, at least get the husband can afford her. Except the husband put T's and C's. He said that a woman who is not respectful will not get anything from him. So even Mayeni's money or her getting money out of her man has now boiled down to T's and C's. So I don't know, you guys. I just feel like Mpumelelo is disrespectful. I feel like even like the things that he does try and be respectful to his mother, but I'm like the way he disregards his mother's opinion, especially when it comes to this whole polygamy thing, while she's in it as well, just makes me, I don't know, it makes me feel funny somehow. I don't know, you guys. Anyway, tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.